Welcome to YouTube Academy, where we simplify YouTube for you. In today's video, we are going to talk about something very important. We'll be talking about YouTube categories. YouTube category is what enables YouTube to send your video to the right audience. So when you don't know this, you will put your video under another category and you will not reach the right audience, and after you'll be complaining that your videos are not getting views. So in today's video, I'll walk you through. I'm going to see all the YouTube categories. We are going to look at all the YouTube categories one by one, so while I explain, so that you know where to put your video, so that YouTube will help you now do the rest. So we're going to start with the first one. Number one category is autos and vehicles. If your videos are cars, if you are posting cars or bikes or driving tips, showing people how to drive, teaching people what to check before buying a car, you make sure you put them under autos and vehicles. Number two, we'll talk about comedy. If your videos are funny, if you are making jokes, you want people to laugh, make sure you put them under comedy. Number three is education. If you are teaching people how to study, make sure you put them under education. If you are teaching people a language, make sure you put them under education. If you are teaching people some tutorial, teaching people even how to learn English in 30 minutes, or to learn English in 5 minutes, to learn computer in 3 minutes, make sure you put them under education. Number four is entertainment. If you are talking about celebrities, you are talking about actors, you are talking about musicians, you are talking about pastors, you make sure you put them under entertainment. If you are talking about you are making gossip or reality shows, you see people talking about gisting, make sure you put them under entertainment. Number five is film and animation. If you are uploading films or short films, either you are doing storytelling like Africa folk tales, you make sure you put them under film and animation. Even your films are they call it a cartoon. If you are creating cartoon films, make sure you put them under film and animation. Number six is gaming. Gaming, if you are for people that are teaching people how to play game, or those who are playing games, teaching them how new games that are coming up, make sure you put them under gaming. Number seven is how to and style. If you are teaching people fashion, makeup, you are teaching people some practical things. Let's say how to use ChatGPT on your phone, how to use Google VO3 in your phone. Make sure you put them under how to and style. Number eight is music. This is for people that are creating music now, for musicians. Whether it is original, you are remixing the song, or doing what, make sure that you either audio or video, Afrobeat, make sure you put them under music. Number nine, it is news and politics. If you are talking about current events in your village, in your country, in Africa, in the world, make sure you put them under news and politics. If you are talking about you are analyzing, if you are making interviews or making other political analysis, make sure you put them under this topic. Number 10 is non-profit and activism. If you are talking about charity work, you are talking about social campaigns, you are talking or any other awareness videos, make sure you put them under this one. If people are going to feed people to do a charitable work in another place and you make videos about that, put them under non-profit and activism. Number 11 is people and blogs. If you are talking about your personal experience or lifestyle content, make sure you put them here. For example, if you are talking about my journey as a first-time YouTuber, you see, make sure you put them in this one. Even people that are pregnant, they can talk about their journey as their first time pregnant, being pregnant. They can also talk about that. You put them under people and blogs. Number 12 is talking about pets and animals. If you are posting videos about animals, posting video about how to take care of animals, how you are also showing people some moments with animals, make sure you put them under pets and animals. Number 13 is science and technology. If you are talking about AI tools, you are talking about scientific discoveries, or talking about some experiment, make sure that you put them in this science and technology. Number 14, you talk about sports. When you are talking about football matches, you are talking about training tips, teaching people how they training now, make sure you put them under sports. Number 15 is travel and events. If you are talking about visiting places, tourism guide, guiding people, showing people new places, make sure you put your videos under travel and events. That's it, guys. These are all for the YouTube categories. But the final tip is that always choose the category that best matches your main topic, not just what is trending. When you pick the right category, it helps YouTube to send your video to the right person. So Make sure you note it. If you have any question, don't hesitate, put it in the comment section and I'll answer you. See you in the next video, guys.